We're gonna do some cracking, get you moving better,
Okay.
then ready for the weekend. Sound good? Your mid back was an 8.
I'd say, like a 6.
A 6, and then your low back was also a 6.
Yeah, I'd say 6 again.
Okay. Like headaches at all?
Yeah, in the front.
In the front, okay. I gotta make sure that all my ducks are in a row, so there's no free time for me. Now, she has a little bit of scoliosis, so what we need to do is we need to kind of hit it at a different vector. So take a big deep breath in for me, and blow it out. Good. A little more. That's it.
That usually makes